Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. My name's Brendan and today we're going to learn the foot drop, also known as the ankle hang. You need to be a fair way up for this drop because we'll be turning completely upside down and you want to make sure that you have enough space. If you're not sure, make sure that you walk it down slowly before turning it into the full drop. This is a beginner move, but it all happens pretty quickly, so I'll just show you first and then we'll slow it down so you can see it in detail. Alright, let's get started, and remember, you've got this. From a climb, you're going to put your left heel in front of the fabric, keeping your legs close together and your ankles flexed. Circle your feet around the silk until it ends up on your right side. Pike as you walk your hands down the silk until the pole end is between your feet. Once you're here, you can let go with your hands and pose. It's now safe for you to point your toes. There are a number of different poses and spins that you can do from this drop, so be creative. If you guys are enjoying this tutorial, you can help me out by clicking the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so that you're notified every time I upload. To come out, climb up the tail until your hands are above your feet and then hinge your hips over your feet, coming back into a climb. Alright, I'm going to show you the wrapping again from a couple of different angles because it can be a little bit confusing when you're first starting to learn this. It's important to make sure that your feet stay together and your ankles stay flexed until you've come down into the drop. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on the foot drop. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.